If you are looking forward to preparing a simple dish with a love heart, this is definitely the best choice. You can cook it two ways, in an oven or a frying pan. Today I will show you how to pan fry this amazing Valentine's dish. I'm Hannah Wangoi Hencha and welcome back to my channel. You will need 3 slices of bread, some butter, 2 eggs that are well beaten, spring onions, 2 stems, 1 small chopped onion, salt to taste, a 1/4 teaspoon curry powder. Here I've started off by carefully cutting out a love heart from 1 slice of bread. If you have any cutter with a love heart, you should definitely use it. You can see that I've really tried my best to cut out my love heart. Use this center love heart to help you cut out the other slices of bread. Note when you are cutting out using a knife, let the knife do the job. Don't put pressure on the knife because you will end up ruining the center piece. Our love-shaped slices of bread are now ready. The next step is to butter both sides of our pieces of bread. Apply a generous amount of butter so your bread will be having a nice brown color on both sides after frying. In a bowl, beat 2 eggs, season with curry powder, a 1/4 teaspoon, and enough salt. Again, beat the egg perfectly till our seasonings are well incorporated. Now add your chopped bulb onion and spring onions. Heat your frying pan for about a minute under medium-low heat. Place your slice of bread at the center and immediately add your egg mixture. Toss your bread and fry your bread on both sides till golden brown. You can see our love shape is still visible at the center and it looks amazing. Note for this shape to be visible even after tossing, make sure when you are adding your egg mixture, don't fill up the love heart shape. If you happen to fill the shape, the egg will bind and hide the love heart. From the side view, you can see that the level of the egg mixture is slightly below the edges of the bread. The next step will fry our middle love heart shape till brown on both sides. Our pan-fried, crispy Valentine's love-shaped toast is now ready. Thank you for watching, guys. This is the channel where we help you discover new and exciting recipes and help you unlock your creativity. Goodbye and let's meet in the next one.